Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln is a great value with less than 34,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include moonroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.